Hey everyone, today I'm taking you along on a peaceful walk through the beautiful forest park here in Narsingi, just on the outskirts of Hyderabad. As soon as you enter the park, you are greeted with a refreshing scent of fresh earth and greenery. The path here is well maintained and shaded, perfect for morning or evening stroll. We were lucky to catch a beautiful sunrise right at the beginning. It painted the sky in the shades of orange and pink, truly the perfect start to the day. I came here with a few friends and the vibe was just amazing. Light chatter, laughter, the sound of our footsteps on the trail. We ended up walking a total of 8 kilometers, but honestly, it didn't feel tiring at all with nature all around. One of the highlights was spotting a peacock, such a pleasant surprise. There's also a small hike inside the park. Once you climb up, you get a completely different view of Hyderabad, a contrast of green forest below and the modern high-rise buildings in the distance. After hiking for a while, we came across a small pond. The water level was low, but we all agreed it would be a perfect spot to visit again during the monsoon. Just a little ahead, we saw another lake, this one full of